Hi there, Dr. Bilski. Hey, a little quick tip that we always get this question, like what's the best way to clean my Invisalign or clear aligner retainers or the actual aligners themselves? We also have patients that wear what are called removable oral appliances, like a bite guard, a partial denture, it's a removable bridge, or just a full denture. A plate is another term for it. What we're finding is that just using toothpaste on those appliances does not work. Putting those appliances, retainers, dentures, mouth guards, night guards into those fizzy tab things, Effordent, that doesn't work either. So we have specialty doctors, they're called microbiologists, that look at that because we have bacteria in our mouth and these appliances stay in our mouth, could be all day. Some people wear their appliances at night and then they turn a different color. They used to be this nice clear plastic or this nice pink acrylic, or clear hard acrylic for a bite guard or a retainer, and then they look kind of gross. They look like, the best example I can give you is an empty milk jar container. So what we have at our office available is called a pod. It's an ultrasonic piece that has specialty disinfectant and cleaning tablets. So it's not like Effordent. It's specifically made by microbiologists that kill the bacteria and remove the stains. Now, if you're one of those patients with a lot of stain because you smoke, drink coffee, tea, red wines, and sodas, you may have to do it a couple times, but the research and the studies that I've seen, and I personally have purchased this for my own family members, they're working great. So give us a call if you need more information, or even better yet, why don't you come on in so I can look at your appliance and we can get you established as a new patient.